There is a moment every car buyer experiences. You agreed on a price. You shook hands. You felt relieved. And then someone said 4 words that should have stopped you cold. Let me get finance. Most people think that is the end of the negotiation. It is not. It is the beginning of a second one, and you are about to walk into it completely unprepared against the highest paid, best trained closer in the building. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what they do in that room, why it works, and the specific words that shut it down. The Federal Trade Commission has a name for what happens in that room. They call it payment packing. That is the documented tactic the FTC classifies as illegal when used without your consent. And the FTC has filed active enforcement actions against major dealership chains for exactly these practices. Asbury Automotive, Leader Automotive, and Lindsay Chevrolet are named. These are not fly-by-night operations. These are major chains. The FTC's complaints, which those companies are contesting, describe in plain language consumers being charged thousands of dollars for products they never agreed to, sometimes without even being shown the full contract before signing. If it is happening at chains that size, it is happening everywhere. Here is what that looks like. Step by step, starting with something most buyers never even notice. The finance manager is not your friend. That needs to be said plainly. This person is typically the second or third highest earner at the entire dealership. They did not get that position by being helpful. They got it by being exceptional at closing people who think the hard part is already over. And that assumption that the deal is done is exactly what they are counting on. According to current dealership financial data, the finance and insurance department generates an average of over $2,000 in additional profit per vehicle sold. In many dealerships, that number equals or exceeds the profit made on the car itself. The dealership sometimes makes more money in the 15 minutes you spend in that room than it does on the entire vehicle sale. That is not an accident. That room is engineered. And it starts before you even sit down. You have been at this dealership for hours. You are tired. You are emotionally committed to a car sitting 30 feet away. The wait before you enter the finance office, whether intentional or not, works in their favor. Decision fatigue is real. The more choices you make over a long stretch of time, the weaker your resistance gets. By the time you sit down across from that desk, your ability to scrutinize a contract is already compromised. They have not said a word yet, and they are already ahead. Then comes the menu. It does not look like a sales pitch. It looks like a form. Columns of numbers, monthly payment options, products listed in fine print. A vehicle service contract here, gap insurance there, paint protection, tire and wheel coverage, key replacement. Each one presented as though it is a standard part of the transaction. Each one is optional. None of them will be described to you that way. And here is where the math gets uncomfortable. What the finance manager is doing is called payment packing. They are building the cost of these products into your monthly payment figure rather than your total purchase price. If you agreed to pay $32,000 for a car, a $2,000 extended warranty sounds significant. But presented as $12 more per month, you barely feel it. $12 a month over a 72-month loan is $864, plus interest on the portion that was financed. That one product, buried in a payment you barely noticed, can cost you over $1,000 by the time the loan is paid off. Now stack 5 of those products together. That is how a $32,000 car becomes a $38,000 car before you leave the parking lot. But that is only the first weapon. The second one is something the dealership is not required by law to tell you about at all. The dealership is not your lender. They are a middleman. When you finance through the dealer, they submit your application to banks and credit unions. Those institutions respond with an approval at a specific rate, and the dealership is legally permitted to mark that rate up and keep the difference. This is called the finance reserve. Most lenders cap the markup at 2 to 2.5%, but there is no law requiring dealers to disclose how much they kept. You are paying a commission to finance through them, and that commission is completely invisible. On a $30,000 loan, even a 2% markup costs you over $800 before you start the engine. And there is still one more tactic, and this one is the cruelest of all. Paint sealant, fabric protection, VIN etching. These products cost the dealership between $50 and $100 to apply. They are sold to you for $300 to $800 each, often presented as pre-installed, meaning they frame it as though the work is already done and you are simply paying for what is already on the vehicle. Carriage's Dealer Transparency Index, which graded 4,600 dealerships in early 2026, found that 48% of dealers were charging above their advertised price. The FTC warned 97 dealer groups about this exact practice on March 13th of this year. But none of this, not the menu, not the rate markup, not the pre-installed packages, compares to what happens when they let you take the car home. This tactic is called spot delivery. The dealer allows you to leave with the vehicle before your financing is actually finalized. You drive home. You show it to your family. You park it in your driveway. You are emotionally attached at a level that makes walking away feel impossible. And then days later, the dealer calls and tells you the financing fell through, that you need to come back in and sign new paperwork at a higher rate. Your leverage is gone. Your trade-in may already have been sold. The original deal is off the table. This is not a clerical error. This is a calculated tactic that uses your own attachment to the car as a weapon against you. The FTC has documented it. Consumer attorneys fight it in courts across the country, and it is still happening right now in dealerships near you. Which means the most important thing you can do is walk into that room ready. And I am going to tell you exactly how. Before you go to any dealership, get pre-approved for financing through your own bank or credit union. Know your rate. Write it down. When the finance manager quotes you a rate, you compare it to what you already have. If theirs is higher, you use yours. They lose the finance reserve entirely. That one move alone can save you hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on your loan size. When the menu comes out, say these exact words: I want to see the out-the-door price with no add-ons. Not the monthly payment, the total. Every product they add goes on a separate line where you can see it and remove it. The moment you shift from payment negotiation to price negotiation, the entire dynamic in that room changes. They are trained to work in monthly payments because monthly payments hide everything. The total price hides nothing. On protection packages that are already installed, ask one question: can you remove this charge from the price? If they say they cannot remove a charge for something that is already on the vehicle, that product has just become a mandatory fee, which the FTC, as of March 2026, considers potentially illegal under its ongoing enforcement action against deceptive pricing. Use that. Say it by name, and if anything in the paperwork does not match what you agreed to on the floor, stop signing. Every number from the showroom should appear in the finance office documents. Payment packing happens in the gap between those two rooms. It is the gap between what you thought you agreed to and what the paperwork actually says. Read every line. A legitimate deal does not evaporate because you asked a question. If they pressure you to sign fast, that pressure is the answer. The finance office is not part of the car buying process. It is a separate transaction, one the dealership designed, controls, and profits from enormously wrapped inside the paperwork of the deal you actually came to complete. You already knew something felt wrong in that room. Now you know exactly what it was, what it is called, and what to say. If this is something you needed before your next purchase, share it with someone who is about to walk into a dealership. It will cost you nothing. It could save them thousands.